Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into an essential component for many HP LaserJet Pro users, the RM2-5476-000CN fuser unit replacement. This particular unit is designed to breathe new life into a range of popular HP printers, specifically the LaserJet Pro 300 and 400 series, including models like the Color M451, Color LaserJet Pro MFP M476, and the LaserJet Pro Color MFP M375 and M475. It's also a direct replacement for several other fuser unit part numbers, such as RM2-5477-000CN, RM1-8054000CN, and RM1-8061000CN, making it a versatile solution for common printer issues. One of the first things that stands out about this fuser unit is the attention to detail in its packaging. It arrives in multi-layer protective packaging, which is crucial for a delicate component like a fuser. This ensures the unit's integrity from the factory all the way to the user's doorstep, minimizing any concerns about transit damage. Unboxing it, one immediately gets a sense of a product that's been handled with care. Performance-wise, this fuser unit boasts an impressive estimated page yield of 100,000 pages at 5% coverage for A4 or letter-sized documents. This high yield speaks volumes about its durability and long-term reliability, offering users a significant period of uninterrupted printing before needing another replacement. For busy offices or individuals with high printing demands, this kind of longevity translates directly into cost savings and reduced maintenance hassle. Quality is clearly a top priority for this product. It's manufactured in facilities that are both ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certified. These certifications are a strong indicator of a commitment to high standards in both quality management and environmental responsibility. Furthermore, each fuser unit undergoes rigorous quality and function tests before it leaves the factory. This meticulous testing process ensures that the product delivers consistent and reliable results, matching the performance one would expect from an original equipment manufacturer part. Users can install this unit with confidence, knowing it has been thoroughly vetted for optimal operation. Should any questions or concerns arise, the dedicated customer support team is readily available. They are prepared to assist with any inquiries, particularly regarding compatibility with specific printer models, ensuring that users have a smooth experience from purchase to installation and beyond. This level of support adds significant value, providing peace of mind that help is just a call or message away. In conclusion, for anyone experiencing fuser-related issues with their compatible HP LaserJet Pro printer, the RM2-5476-000CN fuser unit presents itself as an excellent, high-quality replacement option. Its robust packaging, exceptional page yield, stringent quality control, and reliable customer support make it a compelling choice for restoring printer functionality and ensuring consistent, professional print output.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.